Hi, this is looking Total Parts Pro today with 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee, stock number 7413. It's ran from the 10th 2010 to 3rd 2013. Has a WK 3 litre 6-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a WK 3 litre V6 petrol engine. Left hand headlight, left front 18-inch fuck down the maggot tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch fuck down the maggot tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch fuck down the maggot tyre, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 18-inch fuck down the maggot tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,